In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a gift card for SSENSE. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to be using my web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google and then I'm going to type in gift card for SSENSE and then hit enter. And now from here, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and we've got a site here called gifty.com. So we can check out this site. So let's head on over to giftly.com. And now here's the SSENSE gift card. From here, what we can do is choose the amount. So if you want to do $25 gift card, click on $25, etc. And you can change your gift designs as well. So because it's coming up the Christmas time, we can put a big Santa there and go ahead and click on continue. And now this is going to take us to the contact information. So put in your email address here, click save and continue, and then it'll say delivery. How will you give the gift card? So we've got email, text, print, or mail. So choose which one you want to use, and if it's email, go ahead and click on what's their email and then put their email in here. So I'm just going to put mine in, and then when should it be delivered? So you can do it now, or you could schedule it for a later date. So if you want to book ahead, you can, then confirm date. Click save and continue, and you can see the price here. So it looks like they have a $4 processing fee on these gift cards. So click save and continue, and then it'll say it looks like you're emailing this gift to yourself. Yep, that's fine, so I don't mind. And now you can choose a greeting card as well. So you can choose any one of these. They got some premium ones here that do cost a little bit extra. I'm just gonna use this design here. You can put your recipient's name into your message here and send name, then click save and continue. So I'm just going to put in Bob here, test, then I'm going to do tutorial, then click save and continue. And now here, just put in your payment information, so your credit card details, or you can pay via GPay if you got it enabled. And then yeah, you got to read the terms and conditions. I agree to the e-sign disclosure terms and conditions. You can also save payment information, save and continue, and then you can place the order.